This app has just completely changed the game in how you can take ideas and turn them into income in less than a day. I'm serious, everybody. What I'm about to show you next makes it so easy for us to take all of our ideas. Now, y'all know if you're like me, you keep ideas on cards like this, but you keep ideas in your phone. You probably got them a little bit of everywhere. You got them in notes all over the place. But now we have the ability to take that idea and put it out there into the marketplace and to see if it can put cash in our pockets. And this next app I'm about to show you does all of that. Now, you know, here at this channel, what we do is show you how to use, whether it's lo-fi, hi-fi, or AI tools to monetize your life. Now, this one right here got me really excited. And you know, I use a lot of apps, but this one right here with what it just did for me is amazing. So what I want you to do is follow to the end. I'm going to be showing you all of this stuff. Follow me to the end because I'm going to give you some very specific things that you can use to start leveraging this app to put cash in your pockets. Okay, so let's take a look. So what I'm showing you right now is the end result. All right, so here it is. I was literally able to configure my domain, and guess what, everybody? It did it automatically. Now, one of the biggest things that you kind of go, oh my gosh, with some of the other apps and even some of the dev tools that I talk about here on this channel, you got to do another step. But this thing says, hey, we got it. We'll do it for you. And it was amazing. So I was able to connect this domain right here on this app. This is called the Gamma app, right? You guys have seen me somewhere. I'll put up the videos that I've done for the Gamma app already. This right here is game changer. But look at this. It says I'm all done. It's already configured it. Now it says it's successfully configured. I can now publish this site that I literally just created. And get this. Originally, I created this actual site from a PowerPoint that I had did some time ago. So I did the PowerPoint and I already had, you know, received money from having done the PowerPoint, blah, blah, blah. It was talking about overcoming your fear of starting a business. So I decided to, hey, wait a minute, I think I can repurpose this. Now you've seen some of the other videos I have done on repurposing content and all that kind of stuff. And if you're inside of my Patreon partners or my Buy Me a Coffee community, you know that I do this stuff all the time. Now, I'm going to give you ability to do that a little bit later. So listen to this. I was able to go ahead and create this. I'm going to get rid of this stuff. This is already saying that it started off as this app right here or this domain right here. Now I've got this one in and I am ready to rock and roll. So here is what I was able to create. Now, the cool thing about this, if you notice the colors, I wanted a specific color. So I wanted something that popped out at you, right? Now I am ready to go, ready to publish it on my own domain that it put in place for me. That's one of the cool things about this app. Now remember, I took this from another form and then I put it on here and created the actual website for it. Now, here's what I want to show you next. This is what we're going to do. This is how it's going to put cash in your pockets. Now, listen, if you're seeing this on YouTube, go ahead and put some information in the comment section. If you've seen other apps that are like this, let me know what those apps are. I may go out there and test them for you and see how we can use those things and leverage those things. If you've got some apps that you have bought and you know they're just been sitting on the shelf collecting dust and you want me to show you how you can take that thing and put cash in your pockets, I do this all day long. So here it is. I've got this. I put the information in. Now you notice here when it says get on a call with Randy, what I did was I went ahead and I chose an area where I could literally put in a button. So let me show you how that's going to work. So we're going to go to forms and buttons. We're going to go ahead and pull a button over. I'm going to click in here so it knows where to go. Actually at the end here, I'm going to show you this real quick. Oh, not that part. I want to form a button. So watch this. I can go ahead and pull a button in there. You see what it did? It put the button right there. I love that color. This is all good. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the middle. And now it gives you where you can paste your link to. Now remember, this is making it all easy. I already have it on my own domain, that kind of stuff. Now keep in mind, we took some information that we already had. We're repurposing in this particular way. Now we're going to put it into a a landing page format. Now I can create multiple pages if I want to, but that's not the point. What I want to show you is that we can get our ideas out there, get them things tested, let the marketplace tell us if people want it. It's beautiful. It looks awesome. We're going to put some links here and we're going to change this. Really, really super simple, everybody. I'm telling you, I'm going to go ahead and delete it right now. All right. So if you come across something that looks a little weird, because sometimes the pictures don't, they're using a very specific kind of application to do the pictures. Sometimes they don't match up, or you may see an extra finger or something like that. Well, you can literally change all of this out. Now, you've seen me do this Gamma app before, but what you hadn't seen was me doing the rest of this. Now, let me know in the comment section if you're just going nuts right now, saying how easy this is. And if you want to see, I'm going to leave a link for this particular app. If you want to get it for yourself, I've been just standing on milk crates, screaming, saying, hey, this is where we're at. This is what we need to be doing. Let's get out. Let's get out there and start making this money. Put this cash in our pocket. Let's get that idea that you have. I'm going to be teaching this in the courses, in the workshops, in the webinars, all of that kind of stuff, because I want you to be out there creating things, and allowing you to see how they can make us money. Now, I'm going to go deeper in the course. I'm going to show you how you can take your affiliate business now and change the game with it. How we're going to be putting links in. I don't care if you got Amazon, if you're a partner program, it doesn't matter. We now can have these ideas get out there, links in here, so that we can make money. If you notice down here at the bottom, I did something pretty interesting. Watch this. I says, okay, find out how AI can help, because guess what? This is what I do. I help you also connect your business with AI. Now, if you hit here, that's going to take you outside of Gamma, and it's going to put you on the link that you have here. Now, imagine this. You can put your affiliate links in here. What about this one? Want to create one of these presentations? Yeah, guess what? That's going to have my affiliate link in it. That's how we're going to be going out there and putting cash in our pockets. Now, listen, if you've seen this presentation and you say to yourself, this is game changing, what else you got? I've got other stuff. Come on, I'm going to invite you inside of some of the courses that I have, invite you in some of the free areas that I have, all of that kind of stuff. You just root around in there and see if the stuff that I'm doing is something that you like. And if you want me to teach you more, I will do it. I'm telling you, this is the game-changing opportunity for us, that we can go out there and there's nothing that we can't create and test and see if it puts money in our pockets. The moment it does that, what I typically do, I'll share this with you. What I typically do is the moment that it puts a dime in my pocket, man, then I'm going to go and I'm going to see if I can present that thing that put money into my pockets to other people. Because now I'm just using helpful things, showing other people how to do these helpful things as well. And for that, I'm saying, well, I'm an affiliate for this. It doesn't cost you extra, but check it out. I'll teach you some of the other stuff, and then we can just have a ball. That's what we're trying to do, and that's what I want to show you with that particular app. Let's jump on inside, and I'll see you in the next video.